Hello friends, showing you our RHS01 vise today from wire EDM tooling section. This beautiful vise is high quality stainless steel, perfect for all the wire EDM applications, and it is useful to mount the square and rectangular long jobs up to 190 millimeters. This vise can be directly mounted on the wire EDM machine, and it has the universal slot sizes to mount directly on the wire EDM machine. Perfect for all the models of Sodic, Makino, EG Charmiles, wire EDM and EDM machines. This listing is available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. Welcome to inquire us and ask us for the specifications of the complete wise. We will be happy to provide you. Thank you. Have a good day.